Hey guys, we are back at it again with another Azure Beauty dip powder kit. This kit is perfect for all year round because it comes with 32 beautiful colors. As usual, it comes with the 4 solutions: the base, activator, top coat, and the brush cleaner. It comes with a nail file, a dip tray, the brush to brush off the product, as well as some extra brushes if you need it. It came with everything that came in the previous kit, so if you haven't watched my video, definitely go and check out that review. But this time we're going to be trying something new on the nails, okay? So the colors that I'll be using is a white color, as well as the transparent color, and this beautiful pink blush glitter color. These powders come in a 0.42 ounce jar. They are smaller jars than the previous kit that I did get. So that was probably my only downside to doing this, because when I do my nails, I like to dip my finger within the jar. I don't really like to throw the powder over my nails or do the whole dipping method. I just think it just makes the process easier and also cleaner when I just dip my finger within the jar. But nonetheless, I love these dip powders. They're smooth, they're fine, and they're easy to work with. As you can see, the first step is to apply your base coat. I try to apply as much as I could because, as you guys know, the last time I did get a little streaking, and I did realize I did also get a little streaking again. So maybe I should just go about doing the method a different way, how I would normally do it. Just apply a light layer first and then kind of just build it up. But either way, it's totally fine, because in the end, once I've did my, 3 coats, I go in and buff it out. So it all works out in the end. It just, depends on what you prefer or like. So this is the first time that I will be doing a French tip / marble effect using the dip powder. So I was kind of nervous, but it actually didn't come out as bad as I thought it would have, to be honest. So right here, I just applied my pink glitter to my entire nails. I'm going to apply my base coat on just the tip of my index finger, the tip of my nail, and I'm gonna do it to where it has a little arch, you know what I mean? And then just dip the white powder on just that area where I applied the base, and that's pretty much how I do my French tips. So that's pretty much it. If it needs any cleaning up, I go ahead and do that. And also for my ring finger, I wanted to do a little marble effect. So what I did is, after I applied the base coat, I pretty much just used my brush, dipped it in the powder, and kind of just tapped it on. So it was kind of like a rainfall. And then I went in with the other pink glitter color, and I used one of my nail swatches, and I scooped some up and I kind of just threw it over where I wanted it to. And after that, I tapped off the excess, brushed it off to see, how the design looked. And I just applied my base again and went over it and kind of just put the colors where I wanted it to get the effect that I wanted. I hope I made some sense, you know what I'm saying? And then when I was done doing that, I kind of used the translucent base over that. Pretty much that was how I did my nails. This is a quick one for you guys. I hope you like it. If you want to hear my thoughts on the Azure Beauty Dip Powder Kit, I do have another video that I will link below. You can also get this kit if you are interested on Amazon. They're very affordable and their products are really good. I'll leave my link down below to where you can purchase it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you like it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.